friends, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to put a twist on a classic favorite, apple pie. But we're going to make apple pie enchiladas. So let's get started. And here is what we'll need to make those delicious enchiladas. One 21-ounce can of apple pie filling, 6 medium flour tortillas, a half a cup of granulated sugar, a half a cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and a half a cup of water. So what we're going to do is we're going to take about a 1/4 cup of apple pie filling, place it on our tortilla, and sprinkle the cinnamon. And then wrap the tortilla and place it seam side down in our baking sheet. And repeat until the filling or your baking dish is full. All right, now to make the sauce, we're going to get our saucepan, put it on low heat, and we're going to combine together our butter, our water, and our sugars. And we're going to stir this until it's mixed together. And you want to stir continuously so it doesn't burn to the bottom of the pan. Now that that's mixed together, we will remove it from the heat and add in our vanilla. And now that our sauce is done, we're going to come over and we're going to pour it on our enchiladas, making sure to get in between all the nooks and crannies. Now here is the most important part. We got to let this sit in this sauce for about 45 minutes before we bake it. This will help turn the flour tortillas into a delicious pastry puff. And while we're waiting for this to soak, please go like and subscribe to this video or leave a comment down below if you have any suggestions for a video that you would like to see. Okay, now these have been sitting for 45 minutes in the sugary sauce. Now it's time to put them in the oven at 350 degrees for 30 minutes. Now that it's done baking, we're going to pull it out of the oven and let it cool. And there you have it, folks. Warm, delicious apple pie enchiladas. Add your favorite toppings, a little bit of icing, a little bit of ice cream, and dig right in. Warm apple pie. And remember, if you like this video, hit the like and subscribe button so you don't miss out on any recipes. And also, follow us on our socials, Facebook and Instagram, at This Is Our Way, TRW. And we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.